What's poppin', everybody? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a new video on Amazon/Kindle self-publishing. Thank you, Blueprint members who have signed up so far for the Elite Keyword Mastermind, my new course on how to identify good keywords, how to find good keywords in minutes, no longer hours, days, or even weeks. Minutes. My research methods, things are catching on fire. Just like the intro to my video and how intros are going to look, we are definitely going to be stepping up our game, and you're going to be stepping up your game when you enroll for the Elite Keyword Mastermind. I've got some of the curriculum, a fraction of the curriculum here for you to preview. It's all there. There's a lot of content we've got up. The things will be added, but yeah. So we will show you how to find good keywords, how to research them my way, and also I give you keywords to publish for every month. That is the deal. Every month I give you new keywords. They're hot, they're profitable, they're going to make you money. It doesn't get easier than that. Right now, I have a special discounted rate for the course. You get grandfathered in for life if you accept the rate now. I'll be trying to hold it until, well, probably a few more weeks or so, until we get enough people running and going. For Blueprint students who enroll, I'm offering a free 1-hour coaching session for those of you who are in it. As a token of appreciation, set up for the Keyword Mastermind and I'll give you free coaching. But enough about the self-promotion. That's not what we're here about. What I want to talk about today is actually a private message I got from a Blueprint member, Alex Toma, who sent me a message asking if he could create 2 KDP accounts, both accounts belonging to him, with one account being created with another family member's name, different last family name, but he would be accessing both KDB accounts with the same laptop and with the same IP address. Reason being, he wants to use one account for his own use, for publishing in general, but he also wants to hedge the risk of publishing for possibly copyrighted key terms, such as Fortnite, and have those books be on his second account, which is completely understandable and something that is perfectly ethical to do, in my opinion, in terms of protecting your business and thinking about how to minimize risks, which is why I'm doing this video in public. It's totally fine to talk about. So my answer to that, first to start from the beginning, as an individual, you are absolutely allowed only one account for Kindle self-publishing. Now, that's as an individual. If you own a company, like a C corporation or a LLC, limited liability corporation, you are allowed a second account for that entity. For the record, personally, I do have an LLC for my publishing business. However, I choose to just use one account for my individual purpose use. Now, if shit were to really hit the fan and things went crazy and my individual account got shut down, I suppose I could use my LLC account, which has its own employer identification number. And with that, without disclosing my name, I would use a different bank account for that LLC, and I would be forced to, I think, run a different IP address, or use a different internet service provider, possibly even buy a new laptop or computer for that same account. So that's a pain in the ass, but let's say I had to do it, that's what I would do. To answer your question, no, I don't think you can run a second account using your family member's monkey here as your own. I suppose it could work, but only if you use a different device. I don't know if they detect MAC addresses, but I think they can, probably, along with using a different internet service provider. If you use the same IP address, you're almost guaranteed to get banned. So to answer that, use one account. Going to the topic of copyrighted terms, since this is coming up, I, for the record, do not condone or encourage anyone to publish for copyrighted terms that will get you litigated. For Fortnite, From what I understand, you have to actually prove in court that the guide cost you profit. So for litigating individuals like unauthorized guides. So until Fortnite has an actual strategy guide out, I don't think we're really harming their business as far as producing guides. And say what you will, it's all subjective. You've got your opinion, I've got mine. But until they actually produce an authorized guide for their income stream, if you think about it, there's guides on YouTube about Fortnite that are producing income for people, and they're doing fine. Now we've got these $2.99 books on Amazon that are making income. I mean, I understand if they want to take it down, but it's really no big deal. Like, I'll give the money back if I had to, or at least accept the cease and desist. But yeah, so to answer your question, if you want to run two accounts, I highly encourage you to do it the right way. Open up a C corporation in the form of an LLC or another format if you'd like. I'm not going to pretend to be a tax expert. I have my master's in business administration, so I guess I'm book smart, supposedly, about this stuff. But yeah, open an LLC and open up a second account that way. And with that, you can use the same device with the same IP address. So I hope that answers your question, Alex. For you guys who like my content, please subscribe. Would much be appreciated, just to make sure everyone's actually liking the content. Otherwise, like and leave a comment below. Let me know what you want to see in terms of content. Otherwise, see you in the mastermind, and also see you in the blueprint, your guide for making your first $1,000 online. All links are below. Link to both the blueprint and my new course, the Elite Keyword Mastermind, are below. Thank you.